Results of a Senate inquiry on deals between local water districts and the Villar-owned Prime Water Utilities Company show the consumers getting shortchanged on services and the local water districts losing money. Committee Chair Senator Raffy Tulfo, after grilling officers of the local water district of San Juan del Monte, said the joint water venture agreement between Prime Water and the local water district did not yield a good result for the SJDM subscribers or customers. Hence, a subpoena calling Prime Water officials is in order as our Maryvel Custodio comes back with more.
The committee is hereby ordered to issue a subpoena duces tecum to the officers of Prime Water to bring all pertinent joint venture agreements between Prime Water and concerns water districts.
This comes after the report of allegedly questionable contracts that have supposedly put local water district at a disadvantage in their joint venture agreement with Prime Water Infrastructure Corporation. In the presentation of Committee on Public Service Chairperson Senator Raffy Tulfo, he showed the drop in net income of water districts with JVAs with Prime Water. The posted performance bond also did not meet the required amount based on the 2023 Commission on Audit report.
Then for Dasmariñas Water District, a bond of just 9.5 million pesos was posted, far below the required. Ito na. Nakakasakit ng ulo. Magkakamay din po kayo rito. Ang bond na required sa Dasmariñas Water District ay 775 million. Pero ang bond na pinost lamang ay 9.5 million.
The local government of San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, meanwhile, defended its water district's decision to enter into a joint venture agreement with Prime Water. Even before JVA, the city was considered to have one of the best water services in the country. According to the representative of San Jose del Monte LGU, the city's growing population of water consumers was the reason they agreed to the JVA.
Mga reklamo ng Prime Water came only during the pandemic time in San Jose del Monte. That was 2020.
Pero even before pandemic sa ibang mga lugar, may mga reklamo na, sir. At least you should have done due diligence. Na nag-imbestiga kayo.
Senator Tulfo also questioned the delays of the approval of the water safety plan, pointing out the muddy water coming from the faucets in some areas served by Prime Water. The Local Water Utilities Administration or LUWA admitted they lack manpower and authority to thoroughly review the JVA's Prime Water and local water districts.
We did not have jurisdiction or power to settle actual controversies. Wala pong ganon. Rate setting lang po kami and regulation. So yung issues on their contracts, hindi po namin pwedeng buksan.
It was also discussed that under the Public-Private Partnership Code, the project worth 15 billion pesos and above must be reviewed and approved by NEDA. But if the amount is below 15 billion pesos, the implementing agency will handle the review.
Sino ba namang Poncio Pilatong Kengkoy ang may pakanan itong PPP code na to? Saan ka makita ang 15 billion pesos na project, total project, sa isang lugar? Of course, wala. So, ang mangyari, lahat ng mga proyekto from now on, they will no longer be subject to review.
Yung PPP Center po ay pwedeng tulungan ng IA to do a detailed evaluation. Ang isa pong bagong nilagay sa PPP code, yung negotiation gagawin bago i-approve.
Sinong head ng IA?
So for, let's say, it's a water district.
Exactly, local water district.
Local water.
O, sila din mag-approve, sila din yung may say. Binigay na rin doon sa local water district.
Pero at this point po, yung final contract, because it's considered as a national project, ang magre-review po ng kontrata ay tatlo. Ang PPP Center, ang Statutory Council, which may be the OGCC or the OSP.
Pero yung head ng IA po, ay yung local water district.
Yes po.
Na meron pong say dahil po siya ang head.
Opo.
O, di po ba? I rest my case. Huwag na kayo humirit.
The committee will continue to review the joint venture agreements in the next hearings. Vel Custodio for the National TV for a New and Better Philippines.